Hey guys, you may have seen this photo going around of ancient Egypt that shows how they moved the giant blocks. This photograph is not authentic, and I can prove it. So let's look at these guys lifting the block. Let's Google how many kilograms can the average person lift. It says here that the absolute maximum is 25 kilograms. And this looks important. Let's put a box around it. I want to focus on this large limestone block. To find its volume, we need to do the width times the height times the depth. Let's look at one of these guys down here and let's look up the average height of an ancient Egyptian. It says here the average height is 167 centimeters. If we look at the height of this block and the angles of this photograph, we have one person, two people, and a little bit more. And all these can add up to 400 centimeters. So that means the height is equal to 4 meters. Now studying the picture a little bit more, this face looks like a perfect square, so let's call the width 4 meters. And then for the depth, this looks like it's not a perfect square. It looks like it's about 1.5 of this side. So let's call it a depth of 6 meters. So now we can find the volume of this limestone block. It's 4 times 4 times 6, which is equal to 96 meters cubed. Next, we can find the density. The density of limestone is 2,711 kilograms per meter cubed. So to get the mass of this block, we need to multiply the volume times the density. Or in other words, 96 times 2,711. These cubic meters will cancel each other out, so we're left with 260,256 kilograms. Now, how many people do we have under here? Looks like we have 6 rows of guys, and each row is about 4 wide. So that means we have about 24 people lifting this block. So the mass per person is going to be 260,256 kilograms divided by 24. And that's equal to 10,844 kilograms. So that means that each of these guys is lifting 10,844 kilograms. This is significantly higher than the max of 25 kilograms. We can put a box around this and we have debunked this photo. This is not an original photo from ancient Egypt. How exciting.